Welcome back to our channel. In the previous video, we explained the technical details of automatic flute laminator machine. You may be wondering how this machine is supposed to operate. In this video, we will guide you through the process of setting up and using this advanced piece of equipment. The first step in operating the automatic flute laminator machine is to set the fader size. This can be done by adjusting the settings on the control panel. Once the fader size is set, manually move the fader up close to the feeder. Next, turn the machine to auto mode and start the machine. The machine will start and run at a micro speed to ensure everything is functioning properly. Once the machine is running, turn on the paper belt and open the blower to ensure smooth paper feeding. Then, turn on the vacuum paper feed to further assist with the paper feeding process. As the paper is being fed into the machine, it's important to monitor the process and be prepared to take action if needed. In the event that the paper reaches the last sensor, push the emergency button once to stop the machine. After the paper has reached the last sensor, it's time to set the outer bolt to the correct position to ensure proper alignment and lamination. Once the machine is properly set up, it's time to feed the 2-ply material into the machine. Make sure to position the material around 200 millimeters from the front pusher to ensure smooth and accurate feeding. And there you have it. With these step-by-step instructions, you can successfully operate the automatic flute laminator machine with ease. To learn more about our machines, please visit our website or contact us directly. Thank you for watching and happy laminating.